Now, First Alert Weather with meteorologist Eric Weglars.
All right, a pretty nice finish to the afternoon for a number of us here. I'll get out of the way of this shot here. This was taken from Burlington looking across the lake towards New York. This is Troy setting this picture in. Great picture there. Beautiful sunset. Got a light pillar in the background there. And, well, temperatures a lot cooler than just a few hours ago when we were in the 50s. We're now down to the 40s in Burlington, 43 there, 38 in Plattsburgh, already into the middle 30s for a number of us in eastern Vermont. And the clouds are fast approaching, mainly from the west. And this is ahead of a warm front that's slowly making its way out of parts of Detroit, Pittsburgh, and through Toronto. So this leading edge of warm air will actually begin to spark a few more rain showers as we go through the early morning hours tomorrow. Now, the bigger system to check out here is in this red circle, this area of low pressure spawning showers, thunderstorms, even some tornadoes in parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, and Texas. All of this moisture is going to race its way towards our region as we go into the weekend. So we're expecting periods of moderate to heavy rain this weekend. Now, with the rain and the snow melt will also amplify the concern for some flooding, and we'll show you what that looks like here in just a moment. This is the rain tomorrow on Futurecast. We'll stop the clock at 7. Notice some steadier rain showers in and around the Champlain Valley, but it's not a washout by any means. In fact, we even get some sunshine. This is Thursday afternoon. Tomorrow we even see some sun in the Champlain Valley points east, so it's not a bad afternoon. A few more rain showers do sweep through though in the evening hours, so it's not a totally bright day, but it's also not a completely wet day for that matter as well. 57 the high tomorrow in Plattsburgh, 63 in Potsdam, a nice warm afternoon in the Seaway Valley, 55 in Burlington, 57 as you go towards North Hero and Alberg, 50 in Springfield, and 49 expected in Plymouth. So the steadier rain arrives Friday night. We're thinking an area, a cold front actually, will begin to sag its way south. So as it moves towards the south, it actually stalls over parts of Vermont and the Adirondacks. So these shades of yellows and oranges, this is some really heavy rain that starts to fall Saturday, and in fact even lasts well into Sunday. You see these deeper shades of greens still lingering across eastern Vermont. So we're expecting a good 24 hours or so of moderate to heavy rain, and there are still rain showers as we go towards early Monday morning. So when we add up the rain Saturday, Sunday, and into early Monday, we're talking about a good 1.5 to 2 inches or more of rain. And this is across parts of the Northeast Kingdom to the Champlain Valley point south. So you add the rain and the snow melt, and we're talking about the potential for significant river flooding across a number of rivers in our region, particularly the Passumpsic, the AuSable, the Lamoille, and the Missisquoi. These are the first rivers under the gun here, and we'll break out the river timeline. This is one forecast example for the Passumpsic just south of St. Johnsbury, hitting moderate flood stage by Saturday evening, just shy of 16 feet. And in fact, some projections do have this reaching major flood stage. So we will have to watch this very closely over the coming couple of days here. Before that point, we actually hit the middle and upper 60s, believe it or not, on Friday. Not a bad next couple of days here. It's warm, it's raining, but I mean, we'll take what we can get here. It is spring after all. Periods of rain on Saturday, and then the river flood concerns begin to really creep their way in on Sunday before we get some more sun for next week.